Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how you can schedule or queue messages on Discord. To achieve this, you need to have a bot on your Discord server. So to do that, we need to first go to a browser and type in .notify bot and hit it enter. And here is the bot website, click on it. And on the bot page, what you'll click on is add to Discord. This will redirect you to the following page. Click on the button that says connect Discord. Now this will redirect you to Discord and ask you to authorize. Click on the button that says authorize. After clicking on authorize, it will tell you to go back to your browser. Click on close and go back to your browser to set it up. So it will say you need to install our bot. So we'll click on install bot now. Then we'll click on continue Discord. And right now we'll choose the server we want to add the bot to. So I have one server, this server, and I want to add it to this, and we'll click on continue. Next, we will authorize permissions for this bot. So we will click on authorize. Finally, we will confirm that we're human. And the bot has been successfully added to our server. Now we'll go back to the website we downloaded the bot from, and we will hit refresh. Now that the bot has been successfully added to our Discord server, we can schedule messages. So to schedule a message, we'll click on the schedule a message button. And here you can create your own message. So I'm going to type in hello Discord, and you can choose the time zone, the date. So I'm going to choose today, and the time. So after choosing the date and time, you will need to choose the channel that we want this message to appear. So I'm going to choose the channel. And finally, we'll click on schedule message. If you look at the bottom, it says message scheduled successfully. So our message should appear. And as you can see, the message has appeared as we scheduled it. So this is how we schedule and queue messages on Discord. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.